German.
So are you on a punishment from Germany to Uganda? Are your parents punishing you to come here?
Like to settle here.
They want to experience hell?
Uganda is very good. I love Uganda.
It's very good.
Yes.
Stop
Why am
Stop mocking us. Is Uganda good?
Yes. I love the people.
Which part of Uganda is good?
I think I'm staying in a bar.
So from Mumbai
So yeah, me and they call me Masaba.
Masaba.
Yes, they call me.
You have a girlfriend? Hey.
Yeah, I had in Germany. I finished now. You know, I'm far from my girl.
So have you got a Mgisu babe from Mumbai?
Not yet.
Have you tested the Ugandan babe?
Not yet.
Oh!
But I think they're good.
Have you heard of water?
What?
Water. Do you know Teresa?
Teresa.
Teresa. So you don't mind Teresa. Do you know Teresa? You haven't eaten a Ugandan girl? Have you eaten a Ugandan girl?
Not yet. I'm not long. I had my girlfriend. I finished.
When did you come in?
August.
August. Oh, when I'm in Uganda. August. September. October. November.
Yeah, but I was.
Bro,
you know, in Germany it's like this. I know here people they have many girls, but in Germany you have one girl. So I had my girl. Now
but who bought for you that ticket?
we stick it.
This is ordinary. Why didn't you buy a gold one?
My money is not too big.
I muzungu yeta agobu yambi.
Muzungu is a rich.
I thought muzungu abela mugabi. Ono muzungu yeta agobu yambi.
Money is not so.
Tell us the kati. Ono katika center. Do you have a table inside? You put ticket your table.
Sit.
You have a seat. I give you a VIP ticket.
You give me.
I give you.
You want to give me?
Hey, kuba bonye. Saka tuwayamba abazungu. Bible yagamba muri wala amawanga. Munkwate nga mpo muzungu goroti. Kujirabi. You go sit on a table.
Anatula na iwa. Shalom.
Anatula nange. You have to onyogamba. Shalom, we love you. Say shalom, we love you.
Shalom, we love you.
You will relate. Shalom, shalom, shalom.
Shalom, shalom.
Yes. You say in German. Shalom, I love you.
Shalom, I love you. Shalom, ich liebe dich. Yeah, you say ich liebe dich.
Ich liebe dich. You say mikwa in yasinga.
Mikwa in yasinga.
Chogere mu German.
You gave me German.
You say it in German.
I say I love Mickey Wine in German.
Hey, you love Mickey Wine.
Ich liebe Mickey Wine.
Gamba, I love Joe.
Ich liebe Joe.
Ha, Joe bakwaka. Kati ngwade ticket hii. Tebu.
I go there.
Hey, yes, you go to.
I go no.
Yes,
I go mangu mangu.
I'm zungu yeta go buyambi. Sit on the tebu. Tebu got it.
Unalaika Maria chwe German.
Ayoko moja in German. Which course are you
Okay,
which course are you studying?
Of course. I finished the high school. I'm here.
Now what are you doing? Okay, you came
from volunteer.
Volunteer where?
Mali there. Close to Mali.
Now in iPhone pesa. Let me see your phone. What's the last iPhone in German?
That's 7.
I have number here at you. You have 7.
Yes.
I thought I got it. Suppose. Bye.
Shalom 2, 5 or 6.
Not happening. Ndabulo mwana ali omuna Uganda ngolozo ofuni omuzungu. Wano si muzungu. So I was telling Ugandan girls. Should I get you a girl? I should get one. So buli mwala agenda ofuna omuzungu ono beera mwegendereza muzungu yetaaga buyambi. Muzungu tali bulungi. They are going to love you.
I love the people.
I have told them they should love the girls. Hey, have you seen that girl? I've told you people love me and they have come. People love me. Buli omwana ali eyo ono muzungu mwavu. Shalom. Nisho muzungu huno. Bulungi sebo. Manja tero. Sipyanga manja tero.